In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change time zone on your Kobo Libra too. So in order to do that, we'll need to press on the More button, which is located in the bottom right corner of our screen, and now move to the settings. From here, find date and time, and now select time zone. And here you'll be able to enter the city that you live near to. So for example, I live in Krakow, so I'm just gonna enter it. It's right here. And as you can see, the time zone just changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.